have UVA wrestlers here today in the building. They're going to talk to some of our student groups just about the wrestling program, what they do, how they got to where they are. And it's wonderful because it gives our students the opportunity to connect with mentors in their community and potentially see an activity that they might find a passion in and get interested in.
So we came here to educate the kids about wrestling, getting active, and just the main values that it took us to get where we are. So working hard, staying in school, staying focused, all the externals that you might not think matter, but they actually do. I think when you connect with them, you could inspire them. I know when I was young, I thought like older kids were some kind of superheroes, but really at the end of the day, we're just normal people. But I think it's really powerful when you're young to see someone older who's already taken the steps to get where they are now to show you how it's done.
We're definitely hoping to teach students the importance of having good grades and following the rules, but also being mentally tough and overcoming obstacles and just pushing yourself as a person.
I basically learned some of the rules because I came into this knowing nothing about wrestling, and it was cool to watch them. I feel like I just thought that they wouldn't care if you were a good student, like you just had to be strong and like be able to lift stuff. I don't think I want to really wrestle because I don't like the idea of getting hurt, but I do like want to get better in school so I can be better at sports. These guys are practicing instead of being on their phones or on computers and stuff. They're getting away from technology and actually doing something active and social.
I never get to see wrestlers. I barely get to see any famous celebrities, but I'm glad that I got to see one today. I learned that wrestling isn't about the strength, it's about how you feel and the grades that you have.
I think that's why I love wrestling, is it's the most applicable. Once you've wrestled, everything else in life is easy. That's the old expression. So it's just any challenge in life. Nothing's ever easy in wrestling and nothing's ever guaranteed. You could work as hard as you want and you might still not get what you want, and that's kind of how life works. So it's more about the process than anything else.
A lot of the time they just need one mentor, one person to inspire them, and then they'll have a better life because of that. With me, I definitely was inspired to do wrestling from my parents and my coaches, and I never regret it.
It's a really unique opportunity that students are still learning, but just through a different modality than they typically would through their normal classroom instruction. It's a great opportunity for them to also have some social interaction, practice asking questions, and connecting with others and having just conversations.